Eagle pose. Inhale the arms up, reach tall. Swoop the right arm under the left. Entwine the arms. Work towards palms together. Lock the bandhas. Sit down in chair pose. Stretch the right leg to the side. Then bring the knee into the belly button and over the left thigh. Tuck the foot round the calf. Sit in chair, squeeze the thighs and lift the arms to the sky. Breathe. Come out with control to mountain pose. Second side. Reach tall, left arm under right, entwine the arms. Left leg stretches out to the side, up into the belly button and over. Secure the foot to the calf, sit down, reach up, core strong. As you can see, the thighs and the core working hard, so you may start to wobble. So come out, lifting up, reaching tall, come back into mountain pose. Keep practicing and I'll see you in class.